Hi guys, welcome back. Okay, so today we are going to be doing a craft together, so let's get started. Okay guys, welcome back. So what we're going to do today is stick by number, so sticker by number. Okay, so the contents contain are 2 bottom plates, 4 sticker sheets, 4 googly eyes, and 1 instruction sheet. So what is interesting is that it tells you in different languages, so that's interesting. This kit is $1.25, so let's get started. Let's open it and see what it's all about in there. So there's a round sticker thing right here. There we go. Okay. So, here are the sticker sheets. There's 4 of them. There are the 4 googly eyes, and there are the 2 platforms. So you get the giraffe and the fox. So, instructions. Let's open them up. So it shows you the sticker sheets and the numbers on here, because the numbers are not on here. No, not at all. So you have to just match up the shapes. So this will be number 1 and it goes across. And then this is sheet number 2, which it says fox sheet number 2, which is here. And then this is giraffe number 1 and giraffe number 2. So, pretty simple, straightforward, peel and stick. Let's get to it. So, the first thing you want to do is look over here, and number 1 is here. And you can look over here and see the triangle right there. And over here is the triangle. So this is number 1. So you're just going to stick it down. And then move on to number 2. Number 2 is down here. And then number 3, you just have to look all around to find number 3. So number 3 is right here. So that's where number 3 is. So you're going to grab number 3 off of your stickers and put number 3. Oops, I dropped it. It's not pushed down, just pick it back up. Matching it up is a little bit hard, but it's all good. So there's number 3, number 4 goes here, number 5, number 6. You're just going to look all around and find your numbers and put them down. So let's get started. Okay, let's talk. So, placing the stickers down, you would think is super easy. It's really not as easy as it looks. You do get some gaps or doesn't quite fit. I'm not sure if it's the cut or what is going on with it. Does it look cute? Sure. I still got to put the googly eyes on. They're just sticky on the back anyway, so you can just put them where they need to be. There's one sticker left. Obviously, this is sticker 55, but what I wanted to show you was the number 55 is not marked anywhere on the paper. So they say this is for 4 years and up. Well, it would be good if it had the full instructions for the little one to do. I don't believe it is for 4 years and up. It's a lot harder than it looks. More patience to deal with. Trying to line it up. Now, you don't have to be so precise or perfect or try to have it perfect. You know, it's fine. But it's done, and it's fairly easy for instruction wise. Yes, just follow the shapes and the numbers and you'll figure it out. So would I recommend this for a 4-year-old? No, and not unless you know you're gonna sit and help with them. The other thing is it's just not a lot of fun, but it's $1.25, so you know, what could you expect for $1.25? So my review, not all of it is as easy as it looks for sticker wise to fit. They did forget to print out 55 onto the bottom paper, and yeah, it's okay. Okay guys, let's continue talking about this kit. Now, this side I just did freehand, this side I used tweezers and took my time and tried to line them up a little better. So, they're a little closer than this one, but you definitely need some patience. I definitely wouldn't buy this for, it says it's for 4 years old and up. I don't think so. They would not have the patience or the time to want to put all the stickers properly. If you don't care and it's to keep them busy, it's perfect. But I still don't think a 4-year-old would figure out and navigate where they're supposed to put the stickers and how the stickers go. And they couldn't do it by themselves. So if you got them this kit, you definitely would have to sit with them and work with them to do it. So that's the one thing I will say. Once they're done, are they cute? Sure. Once you put down a sticker, peeling it back up is really, really hard. You need to do it really slow, and sometimes they'll rip anyways. I had one that ripped right here, and from far away you don't notice, but up close you definitely notice. So once you lay it, it has to stay, because peeling back up is very, very hard. So would I recommend this kit? If you're just looking to sit down and do a craft with someone, with a younger one, looking to do a craft with a younger one, sure. But I mean, it is only $1.25. It keeps you busy, and they're cute at the end. So yeah, it's interesting. I have 2 more sets to do. I'm just gonna fast forward through them, and that will be that. So please like, comment, and subscribe. Please hit the notification bell so that you're notified every time I do an upload. And I will see you guys on the next video. Bye everyone.